Access your cPanel. Navigate to File Manager under the Files section. In the File Manager dashboard, locate the New Folder option and click on it. A new folder box will appear. Name it Python App. Inside the newly created folder, generate a new file by clicking on +File. Name this file app.py and then create it. Access the file named app.py and proceed to edit it. Once the Edit tab is open, click on the Edit button again. After the new page loads, insert the new code as shown and click Save Changes. In the File Manager, find +File once more and create a new file named requirements.txt. Create this new file. Access the newly created requirements.txt file, go to Edit, and click the Edit button in the Edit tab. Add Flask to the file, then save your changes. Return to your cPanel from the File Manager. Scroll down to the Software section and select Setup Python App. Once Python is enabled, click on +Create Application. Choose the latest Python version. In the Application Root field, input Python App. For the application URL, type Python. In the Application Startup File field, write app.py. Then, on the right, click the Create button. A pop-up confirming the application's creation will appear. In the following steps, locate the configuration files and input requirements.txt in the first row, then click the Add button. Next, click the Run pip install button and select requirements.txt. A pop-up banner should appear, indicating that pip install completed successfully. Now, below the application URL, you'll find an Open button. Click on it. Congratulations, Python version 3.9.16 is now live.